"13 days, 20 hours left until me and Cass go on vacation, and today we're doing paintball." I've never done paintball before in my life.
It's the best paint of your life.
Is it gonna hurt? How do I avoid getting hurt? I'm kind of nervous. So you're nervous?
Not really. I'm ready to kick your ass.
10. Is there safety on this thing?
Yeah.
Where? Oh.
Air and ammo, we're gonna do it again. Let's go, another one.
Right here, in front of us. Right in the ear, man. Josh, I got destroyed out there. Do you have any advice for me?
Don't leave me out there.
Stay together, dude. Yep. Ow!
You have a fun night, Riley, then.
Oh, this one's nasty, bro.
That is nasty.
My whole leg is bleeding.
Oh my god. Absolute carnage.
Just now set, and a toast to making memories you won't soon forget. May your voyage be filled with adventure, excitement, joy, and laughter, and stories you can share long after. Cheers, everybody!